You should eat your water. Being adequately hydrated for whole body isn't just about drinking water. Eating your water in form of fresh fruits and vegetables keeps your body hydrated sufficiently and for longer periods. Because hydration does not mean the amount of water you drink, but the amount of water you hold. Did you know drinking too much water too quickly can flush out all the nutrients in your body? While on the other hand, water from food stays longer and has added benefit. So don't forget to eat and drink your water.